So we have a pigeon sitting on the roof here, just kind of watching things. Well, what we're going to work on is over here. So you can see we have a pendant hanging down on the one side, totally missing over here. This is the new work we put in. And what we did was we built one. So here's the new one. Our bottom is not as precise as theirs is, but you know, up in the air 30 feet or 35 feet, it's going to look just fine, and the rest of it I'm real happy with it. I think it came out really good, and you can compare them. It's going to look great there. So we have to drill this hole in here, put it up in, and then we're going to put some screws in too through this top edge here. So let's go over and start mounting.